Before you begin, use the installation guide to verify you have all the contents required for this installation. If anything is missing, please contact Promethean Support. Perform a risk assessment to safely assemble and install this product. You may require additional help. First, install the casters onto the legs. Use a rubber mallet to gently tap the casters in place. You should feel it click into place. Next, attach the legs to the column. Make sure the top of each leg aligns evenly with the top of the crossbeam before tightening the screws. Now, raise the stand to the upright position and ensure the casters roll and everything is secure. If everything looks good, it's time to install the BalanceBox. Check the user guide for advice on which holes to use to install the BalanceBox at the height you need. Install the mounting plate in those holes. In this video, we're using the highest position for adults. Now hang the BalanceBox on the hook on the mounting plate. It may be easiest to hook one side at a time. Next, attach the safety screws. Then attach the wall bracket. Again, refer to the user guide to help you determine which holes to use. Now it's time to mount the panel. Our support site is always here whenever you need assistance. Browse the product pages or do a search to find specific articles and videos to help answer your questions anytime. Thank you for watching.